So everybody just decided to tell them today.
Yeah, apparently. The spaghetti bowl. Wish I could do this every morning. Good to see they're still up. For now.
Southwest bound, regional Jack on 23 list.
Yes, all of the I-10 traffic along Mesa right now. I'm sure they're loving life, especially if you're driving a big rig.
78 Bravo, El Paso.
Home of El Paso's best rock right down there.
Radio station, yeah.
Yes. Hey guys, don't you know something's about to get blown up?
284 Sierra, El Paso Bridge.
Yes, ma'am. Your information, the implosion of the stacks here is at 0645 on the nose.
Right there at the apartment complexes, everybody's looking.
All these
Got a
people
beautiful
on
view.
this, right?
Absolutely. We were actually thinking about holding a viewing party at the old Prince Machiavelli's, which used to be a strip club.
Nice. Nice. What I heard, racks and stacks.
Racks and stacks, it's the one.
You know?
Is that like a...
I think
it looks like a parachute. 2 parachutes? What is that? Weather
Are
balloons?
you freaking kidding me? I have
People are parachuting. Is that...
insane.
Am I seeing that right? Trying to get them. My camera can't even focus in on it. It's so far away.
It's
We'll see
44. Yeah, I don't think they're going to blow up with the parachute, is there?
The area. Good grief. They must be... There are 3 that I can see.
That is so dangerous. They have no idea what they're doing. They're putting everybody at risk by doing that. At 646.
Yeah. I guess we officially have ourselves a situation.
Oh, okay, there's the flares. Alright, yeah, so about 2 minutes before the stacks were supposed to go off, they were going to flare it.
Okay, so they're ready to go.
Yeah.
Here we go. There goes stack number 1. The old stack first. Can you swing it a little bit to the left? Thank you, thank you. 1 is down. And here comes number 2, the big boy. Here it comes. And they're going.
That was cool.
That was very cool. The Asarco stacks are no more. That is a very large cloud of dust.
Yes, it is.
And we're probably right to shut down Paisano on I-10.
That's one for the history books.
Just as the sun rises across El Paso. Yeah, you can see. It'd be... That thing's just hanging there.